Welcome to Textile Technology Channel, Woven Fabric Dyeing Process. Warehouse where gray fabric stored. Gray fabric inspection is the evaluation of woven fabric to detect defects. Batching involves organizing them into specific, equal-length batches. Singeing is used to remove protruding fiber, and desizing used to remove sizing material from the fabric. Jigger machine is used for dyeing woven fabrics in open width. Bleaching use to removes natural coloring matter to produce a bright white fabric. Mercerizing is a chemical finishing process for cotton fabrics, treats them with a strong caustic soda solution at low temperatures, typically under tension. It improves luster, enhance dye uptake, increase strength, and improve dimensional stability. Printing is the application of color to fabric in specific, defined patterns or designs. It involves applying dyes or pigments, typically as a thickened paste, to one side of the fabric, followed by steaming or heating, and washing to ensure the color bonds with the fiber. Dyeing is the process of adding color to fabrics through the application of dyes. Finishing is the final, crucial step in fabric production, involving physical, chemical, or biological treatments to enhance the appearance, performance, and functionality of raw gray fabrics. Dye fabric quality control ensures consistent, durable, and safe textiles by testing. Packaging involves securing fabric for the application of colorants. Finished dye fabric store in warehouse. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.